Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are going to learn about integrating Snowflake with Python using the Snowflake connector. What is Snowflake connector for Python? A Python library to connect the applications to the Snowflake. Python is going to provide us one library or a module. With the use of this module or library, we are going to connect the applications to the Snowflake. It allows programs to run the SQL queries, fetch the result, insert, update or delete data, load data into tables, works with any Python IDE like VS Code or PyCharm or Jupyter. So this Python library, what are the ways it is going to help us? It is going to allow us to run the SQL queries. It is going to help us to fetch the results from the Snowflake. It will allow us to insert some data into the Snowflake table, update the data and delete the data in the Snowflake table, and load the data into the tables, Snowflake tables. It works with Python IDE or any other editor, can be the VS Code, PyCharm or Jupyter. Install the connector. Once you enter into the VS Code, you have to create the Python environment and you have to install this Snowflake connector Python using the pip command. Pip is a command which helps us to install the module in the module or library in the Python with the help of the internet support. Basic connection steps are to connect Python to Snowflake, you need username, password, account identifier, database name, schema name, warehouse name. These are the details it is required from the Snowflake to connect with the Python, to connect Python to Snowflake. So there must be already existing in the Snowflake, then only you can be able to test the connection. Simple Python code connection is import snowflake.connector, connect to Snowflake. Using this connection parameter, I'm going to create a snowflake.connector.connect. In this, I'm going to provide all the parameters and the values I'm providing here. Once all are the valid parameters, I should get a message connected successfully. So for this, implementing this code, first I should import snowflake.connector as a module. This library first I should import. To connect to the Snowflake, connection is equal to snowflake.connector.connect. This is the module. In that you have to use the connect function, connect method, which accepts user password account, warehouse, database and schema. It accepts all these parameters. For that you are passing the value here. So once this setup is ready, then we will be able to connect to the Snowflake using Python. Then you will be getting a message connected successfully. So test the connection using the VS Code. Now I'm going to show you the connection testing. Open the VS Code, open the folder you want to access that code, activate the Python environment, run the Python connector code to ensure Python Snowflake's connection is established. Let us do it practically. The code will test the connection to the Snowflake. Now, I'm going to my VS Code editor. So this is the folder where I have my Python code. This one I should be able to access in the VS Code. I have created the Python environment .venv. Now, using this git bash, I have to activate this Python environment which I have already created here. So source.venv scripts/activate. So now I activated the Python environment. Now I should run this Python file snowflake connection.py. So this code I have imported the Snowflake connector library. So in this connection parameter, I'm going to connect to this my Snowflake account, which has a username, password, account, warehouse, database, and schema. It has all these connections should be correct. I should not give any wrong username or wrong password or wrong account identifier. This connection will not be successful. So all my connection details, whatever I have given here, it is correct. So it says connected successfully. Okay. So this is the way how we are connected the Python to the Snowflake. Just running a query, create a cursor variable connection.cursor. Cursor.execute of. So this is the connection cursor I'm making. So using this cursor, I'm going to execute each command of the Snowflake. To execute the commands of the Snowflake, you should have a cursor object, cursor.execute of this statement. Rows is equal to cursor.fetch all. So all the rows will be coming here. Print one by one, you have to use the for loop. For row in rows, print of row. Inserting data. Cursor.execute of insert into employees values of this. So using this cursor object, I'm going to execute this statement, insert statement into employee table of these values. Connection closing. Once you created the database, created the schema, created the table, a Snowflake connection is tested using the Python code, then you will be inserting the data. After all the operations are done, you have to close the cursor and close the connection of the database. So what are the facilities provided in this course? Daily doubt clarification sessions, weekly assignments, 6 mini projects, 1 major project, interview questions and answer support, resume preparation assistance, mock-up interview sessions, course completion certificate, internship certificate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to the Provoke trainings for more exciting content like this. If you have any queries regarding this content, today's content, or regarding the course, please post your queries in this below link. Please provide your full name, mobile number, email ID, location, and the course name which you are opting for. Then click the submit button. Your team will reach out to you for further queries. Thank you all. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give thumbs up. And please post your comments on everyday's videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, Ambika.